Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om. Let us chant Bhagavad Gita, 32nd shloka. Yadruchaya chopapannam Svargadvaram apavrutam Yadruchaya chopapannam Svargadvaram apavrutam Sukhina kshatriyah partha Labhante yuddhamidrusham Sukhina kshatriyah partha Labhante yuddhamidrusham Now all together, twice. Yadruchaya chopapannam Svargadvaram apavrutam Sukhina kshatriya partha Labhante yuddhamidrusham Yadruchaya chopapannam Svargadvaram apavrutam Sukhina kshatriya partha Now let us contemplate this shloka. Jayati parashara sunuhu satyavati hridaya nandano vyasaha yasya asya kamalagalitam vangmayam amritam jagat pibati vyasaya bhavanashaya shrishaya gunarashaye hridyaya shuddha vidyaya madhvaya cha namo namaha shankaram shankaracharyam shesham ramanujam yatim vayuncha madhvamacharyam Acharyatrayamashraye. Respected Guruji, respected Subramanyamji, all the dignitaries on the dais, my dear students and faculties. We are now seeing how Krishna is convincingly motivating Arjuna to fight. He gave so many ways he is tackling Arjuna, why he should fight and what that fight means with. Fighting is fighting against adharma. It is not a small act. Anybody, for that matter, must fight against adharma. That took Kshatriya. You are a Kshatriya, so you need to fight. For that, executing your skill of your fight, in the previous shloka, he says, Swadharmam apicha apeksha na vikampitam arvasi. You should not shake yourself. You should not get disturbed. So you must always fight. So here in the shloka, Yadruchaya cha upapannam swargadvaram apavrutam sukhinaha kshatriyaha partha labhante yuddham idrusham. This type of yuddha, idrusham yuddham, that means this type of yuddha only few people, fortunate people only will get. Because you did not give first motivation to the yuddha. Everybody, they tried to avoid the yuddha, including Krishna. When Krishna also went for Sandhana, things did not materialize. That means yuddha could not be avoided. So this is what Yadruchaya means, Ishvara Ichchaya. Yadruchaya, Ishvara Ichchaya. Who is Ishvara? Ishvaraha, Ishanashilaha, Narayana Ityartaha, iti Shankaracharya Vachanam. Shankaracharya Bhashya says this. Where that Ishvara word comes, wherever it is there, Shankaracharya says this. Ishanashilaha, Narayana Ityartaha. So it is by Daivecha. Yadruchaya cha upapannam. You got this by divine opportunity it is. And this opportunity means Swargadvaram Apavrutam. It is an open door for the heaven. For the Kshatriyas, Yuddha means it is open door for heaven. Why means this is a special Dharma Yuddha. You are doing Yuddha against Adharma there. Is it not? Everyone knows, including Kauravas also, they know that they are doing Adharma only. But still, Duryodhana says, Janami Dharmam, Nachame Pravrittihi, Janami Adharmam, Nachame Nivrittihi. I know that I am doing wrong, but I don't get any motivation to come out of that adharma. What to do? He says, this is what Duryodhana's revelation. Duryodhana, he says, Janami dharmam nachame pravrittihi. So therefore, this yuddha has come as a divine blessings to you. And at this time of yuddha kala, if you close your eyes and sit, then you are a fool. You should not sit quiet. Swargadvaram apavrutam. The Swargadvara is ever open. Whoever wins or loses here in this battle of adharma, fighting against adharma, if you even die also, then also you will go directly to Swarga. Hatova prapsasi Swargam, jitvava bhokshase mahim, tasmad uttishta kaunteya yuddhaya kritanishchaya. That is how Krishna is motivating. Sukhinaha kshatriyaha partha. O Partha, for a Kshatriya, it is the highest happiness a Kshatriya can experience when this kind of Yuddha is going to surface. Yes, Kshatriya will not run away with all the fear like a coward. No, there is no question of running away. It is a jubilant situation, or you should be jubilant to fight. Yes, you have to show all your enthusiasm here. Sukhinaha kshatriyaha partha labhante. अगर ऐसा कोई मौका मिलता है ना, झूम उठता है क्षत्रिय. That means a kshatriya will jump with all the enthusiasm. But what you are doing against all these things, giving all the reason, saying all the things that Kula will go Nasha and Stri will become Dushta and Varna Sankara will happen and we will become the culprit for the bad society. All these are nonsense. What you are thinking? You are overthinking. How overthinking should be tackled. Sometimes we also do overthinking. Even though if it is not necessary, that much of overthinking we will do and we go into the negativity. So we need to know optimism there, where we should stop, where we should put brake for our thoughts, how far we should go. Then when it becomes too much, then we are going to take all those negativity again. So Arjuna is going beyond all boundaries, simply unnecessarily he is thinking, and he is thinking to run away from the battle. This is a God-given opportunity, don't waste this. This is the gist of this shloka. Coming shloka, we will see tomorrow. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you.